Welcome to iFixScreens, Lindenhurst, New York. We're your local one-stop shop for all types of electronic device repair needs. At our store, you will get same-day repair services for any gadget or console. We fix all smartphones, including iPhones and Samsungs, as well as computers and tablets like iPads and Chromebooks. In fact, we even fix drones. Our technicians will provide you with the best quality and affordable iPhone repair in Lindenhurst, New York. With every repair that's done, you will get a hassle-free 180-day warranty on any new parts that we install in your device. Outstanding service and quality is our goal. All of our technicians at your local iFixScreens store are certified to perform the repairs you need. We perform regular training and tests to make sure that each repair done by our experts meets the highest quality standards. With more than 1 million repairs done each year, you can count on our experts to bring your favorite device back to life. Fix any device with the Gadgets Repair experts at iFixScreens, Lindenhurst. Contact us today to schedule your gadget repair or iPhone screen replacement in Lindenhurst, New York at 631-708-3521, or visit our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Lindenhurst-NY. Let our expert technicians save your device.